Thank you for buying this 19595 podium from Fixture Displays. This is a foldable podium, very easy to set up and store. In this video, we're going to show you step-by-step instructions how to put this together. These are the dimensions, and these are all the components there is. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs@fixturedisplays.com. This is the front panel, shelf and reading panel, left-hand side panel and right-hand side panel, and the book stopper. First, we want to install all the bolts into the pre-tapped holes. As you do so, you don't want to over tighten, just enough so that the threads are barely disappearing. That's all you need to do. And now we're going to insert the cams into the large holes. While doing so, you want to make sure the arrow on the cam faces toward the hole opening on the edge. Now we're going to install the reading panel. There are 3 holes on each side to line up and then fasten the 2 hinges. The book stopper takes 3 machine screws. I invite you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other business and consumer products we have to offer. The shelf installation is just about the same as that of the reading panel. Now we're ready to put on the left and right hand side panels. We're simply going to line up the holes and then turn the cam slightly to lock. At this stage, it would be nice to have another help to do so, although one person could handle it if you know what they're doing. Otherwise, you get a help. When turning the cams, you don't want to over tighten it. All you need to do is to be snug to hold it in place. The other side panel is exactly the same process, and they fold down to a very narrow profile, easy to carry and transport. We're now going to put some stickers over the cams. It's not a necessary step. It's not visible from the outside, but for appearance purposes, we want to make it look a little more finished. So do put those on when you get a chance. This podium is fairly heavy with very large panels. And to set it up, we simply open it up and flip the reading panel as well as the shelf up. This is another place where you could benefit from having another person, although one person could manage. And that piece of hardware goes into the slot on the panel. We close that and drop that in. Measurements of this podium, left to right, is about 22 inches, front to back 18.6 inches, and overall height is 46 inches. The reading panel side is about 4 inches lower. The overall weight is 57 pounds. If you have a custom size requirement or color or special design, we love those opportunity to manufacture for you. Our email address is cs@fixturedisplays.com. I hope you enjoyed this product in this video. If you like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. If you wish to order casters, we have many choices. Just simply reach out to us. We'll get you taken care of. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.